Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry. Today I'm going to show you how in GTA Online to see your daily challenges or your daily missions so that you can get some free money, basically, as you go. So if you hit M on keyboard and mouse to bring up your interactions menu, and you go down to challenges here, you'll see it's split into two challenging sections. The daily challenges, where I have to participate in VIP work, perform a wheelie for 10 seconds, and visit a recording studio. And then my weekly challenges are collect 3 G caches. So I've already done one today. I just need to do 2 more for the next couple of days. And then that's it. When you complete those, you'll get like 30-some grand or 20 to 30 grand of cash in the game. They're usually really easy to do, so check them out. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.